Your home isn't just where you live, it's one of your biggest financial tools, and every upgrade you make should strengthen it, not just decorate it. Solar increases your home value, lowers your bills, and helps you build long-term equity instead of throwing money at the utility company. It's one of the rare upgrades that literally pays for itself. If you want more smart home finance tips, make sure you follow for more of this kind of content. Buyers love lower energy costs, lenders look favorably on efficiency, and your monthly savings compound over time. Comment Solvanta below if you want your home to work for you.